Hey guys, Yardie Belly Kitchen once more. Candy here, and tonight I'm doing a quick dinner. I have no clue what I'm cooking, but I know I want to do a one-pot meal. So I have some yellow potatoes boiling, and I've cut them into bite-sized pieces, and then I'm just doing up some scallions, not scallions, onions, garlic, and ginger. And I'm gonna cook up some chicken breasts. I have 1.5 chicken breasts here that I've just cut also into bite-sized pieces. I'm gonna add that to the seasoning and kind of stir fry it a bit. As I say, I have no idea where this meal is going, but I'm positive that it's gonna be a one-pot meal because it's just one of those late evenings. All right. And I'm sauteing it so it doesn't need much oil. Trying to stay away from too much grease. So this is a non-stick pot, so sauteing it in a lightly greased pan is perfectly fine. Alright? So this is going to be allowed to saute until it is perfectly cooked. So the chicken is pretty much cooked. As you know, chicken breast is one of the easiest meats to cook. So right here we're adding some pineapple ginger sauce, and this sauce is by Rub with Love ginger pineapple teriyaki sauce. We're gonna add that and just allow it to marinate. That's the word? No. What is it doing? So continue to saute in the lovely sauce. As you can see, braise. Yeah, braise. And as you can see, the brilliant, lovely color.
It's braising.
That it can get. That is get right now. It is
from
get.
The braising. Now try to build up my word.
Yeah, I can't confuse me with me and talk the foolish English. Lovely color that it is get.
That's because it's braising.
How pretty.
It's so braiseful.
Yeah, you have to be careful with chicken breast because it can get very rubbery if you overcook it. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my vegetables. And here I have celery, I have green sweet pepper, I have some mini yellow sweet pepper, and we're just adding that to the pot at this point. Lovely. Simply lovely. And incorporation is very important to cook evenly, right? Mm-hmm. Right.
And then I go add the potato now.
Okay. So remember I told you guys about the potato before. We're gonna go ahead and add those potatoes, which are fully cooked, to the pot, and again do some more incorporation carefully though, because you don't want the potato to get mushy. We are very big on presentation with our dishes, so we're trying to keep it real. Do you think spinach has any place in this?
Everything are placed in a way you want it.
Oh, I forget that's his rule. Anything goes when you're cooking.
Yeah, now you're food, now you're belly.
About you and your creativity.
Now tip some water.
Yeah. And I hear the yes guys, so here you have it, the finished plated dish, or one pot potato chicken au gratin. Au gratin. And we just garnish the plate with some delicious avocados. All right, nice healthy dish for your midweek busy schedule. All right, again, Yardie Belly Kitchen, and keep it locked.
Lock off, ready to eat.
Bye.